Today it shot up about 20%, about 30% almost on a day. At about, what was it, about 9 a.m. in the morning. It started at about 44, 0.0044, dropped down some, but then it shot all the way up to about 50.0055 almost. So almost half a cent. So, I mean, I don't know. I really think this coin is going to go to at least a cent or 2 cent or somewhere near its 2018 highs. I'm riding the lows, waiting for it to dip, buying in, and I'm just seeing where this thing go. So, it's just a little update. If you'd have caught it right here, I actually caught it the next day after. So, I bought some on December the 18th. If you'd have caught it, yeah, anywhere before December the 16th, you up 50% pretty much. So today I was up about 40%, but I decided to buy some more, and it brought my average cost down to about 26%. So right now, I'm only up about $65, but I'm hoping this coin shoot up to at least about us 1 cent, 2 cent at least, and then I'm selling out of it. So I'm telling you right now, it's pulling back some a little bit. Buy right now while it's pulling back, because this thing is going to shoot. Elon Musk got, I don't know if he got something to do with Dogecoin or anything, but anytime his name is associated with it, the coin just shoots up in the air. So just be on the lookout for it. Holler at me, comment, like, subscribe. Peace.